All right, welcome back. So the next thing we need to do is to create a post. Okay, so go to home page. Of course, it's going to be here. So create a folder, call it post. All right, so it's going to be create new post. Dot. Okay, okay. All right, so our post is going to be take uh, a text form field, and we're going to post images as well. So let's see if we have our image package added. Okay, we'll come back to this. We need to add our image package to it as well. So first off, let's create the screens first, because when we add the image package to it, we need to restart our app. So let's just create our screen first before we do that. Okay, let's create our screen before we do that. Right, so it's gonna be stateless widget post creation screen. All right, okay, take this off, we don't need it. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, so we'll need a scaffold, an app bar, title, text, create new post. Okay, we also need our theme, find our theme.off context. Okay, so here you can say a background into the theme dot primary color. Okay, after that we need body. Sorry, we need body, and of course our body is going to take padding. Edge is set dot all is 16.0. Okay, child of colon. All right, children. We wrap our child with single child screw view so it can screw. Single child screw view. Okay, so before we go further, let's call our post creation screen. Go to dashboard. Here we have on press. So on press, see navigator dot navigator dot push material page rat context return this screen. Okay, Okay, so when we click here, take us to the screen. Okay, create new test. Okay, so can also take this style from here and put it here. Okay, so our test screen can be what? White. Okay, so the next is to create a test field with mass line 10. Okay, decoration, input decoration, label is going to be right. Sorry, label test, write your post. Okay, border is going to be outline border. Okay, right, let's take it back to light so we can see what we're doing. Okay, all right. Okay, then we need size box, the height of 16. All right, so at this point we need to add our packages. So the first package we'll add is file picker. We'll add file picker, we'll add cloud binary underscore public. Okay, once they are added, we'll stop our app. Need to stop the app and start the app again. Okay, so while the app is running, we'll quickly go to our providers and create a post provider. Provider, sorry, post provider. For that, class post provider extends change notifier. Okay, extends. Okay, let's also register a post provider here. Okay, so in our post provider, because we are using stateless widget, we actually need a way to pick our text from this text form field. Okay, we actually need a way to pick our text from this text form field. So the way to go about that is very simple. We'll come here and say we'll create string post test, which of course is going to be empty at first. All right, then string get post test, which will return post test. right? Void set post test, of course, a string of what value or test. Okay, set this equals to this, notify listener. Okay, so we can call this in our post controller. Okay, but then we'll wrap this with builder, call this consumer. Of course, it's going to be .new because we have const here. Okay, it's going to be .new because we have const there. Okay, of what? Post provider. All right, say post provider, and here will be none. Okay, so here we can then say on change of course, which will receive a value, and you can return this dot what set with the value. Okay, so we'll pick the value, set the value. All right, so once that is done, we can go back to to our provider and create our image picker. Okay, so here our image picker is going to be of type list. The reason is because we might decide to get one image, two image, three images, so on and so forth. Image picker is equals to null at first, it's going to be empty. So this one is coming from that.io. Okay, okay, pick image to return this. Okay, now there are a couple of things we need to set. One is to add image, class file image dot add image notify listener. We'll also do the same for remove image. Remove image. Okay. Also do the same for clear image. However, this will take nothing, and this will be equals to okay dot clear. Okay. All right. So the next is void okay future void pick images. Okay, pick images. Okay, to have async. All right, so we'll say file picker results is equal to wait, file picker dot platform dot pick files. All right, so there are some properties we need to enter. Type we want, file type is going to be image, just image. All right, we'll allow multiple, so user can pick more than one images. Okay, now if result is not null, okay, picked images is equal to results dot files dot where file dot path is not null. Okay, dot map file dot path dot to list. Okay, not file list now. Okay, with this we are set to pick image. Here we can come here and say elevated button dot icon, cost is going to be this, null for now. Label going to be text, pick images or pick image or images. Okay, pick image or images. Icon icons dot is photo library. Okay, photo library. Okay, that's to pick image. All right, so we need to wrap this with consumer, this consumer as well. You notice I could have wrapped everything. I could have wrapped the container with the consumer, but then I just want to create a segment. I just want to review the screen, review the segment of the screen at a particular time. You understand? So not just, I don't want to review the entire screen once. You understand? So here I can say, okay, let me just use this. So pick image. Okay. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to make sure that the image that are picked, do I have image in my, all right, my pick image is not working. My pick image is not working. So what I can do is to Okay, good. Oh, good. I have images. Good, 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 good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 images done. Picked 5 images, but I'm unable to preview them. Okay, so let's quickly write a code to preview the images that we have there. Okay, use wrapper. Okay, space. It's gonna be 10. Run space. Need to be 10. Children. All right. So we'll wrap a wrapper with provider as well. Okay. So here we can say provider dot picked images dot is not empty. If it is not empty, then do this x. We can say test no image selected. Okay, of course we have image selected. So here we can say here we can now dot map. Okay, images. I think this should be images. Those same. Okay, here we need to say to list. Sorry. All right. So stack children alignment alignment dots top right. Okay, we have container width 100, height 100, decoration, box decoration, border radius of circular 8, image decoration image, file image, we have image fit fit boss fit dot cover. Okay, here icon button on press is going to be provider, sorry, post provider dot remove image. Okay, icon icons dot cancel. Okay, let's see if we have icons dot remove. Okay, colors dot red. All right, so let's pick images again. Oh, good. Okay, so the next thing we need to add is our button, of course, elevated button, shade text, what, post, save. Okay, I think we can simply add size box with height 16 that I've been using. All right. So what you can do, you can customize your page. You can change the font style. Change the 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 text property. Can give color to your button, so on and so forth. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is to create a post repository. That's that. Okay. Class post repository. Okay. So here, it's a string save posts URL is going to be what slash posts string get posts URL is going to be what slash post as well. Okay. So what we can do is to say future save post and async. Okay. We will need to import these two. So I will need to import the three. Okay. So save post. And here we will need to add images, content, and images. Remember, when saving posts, let's go to our backend. We have content, we have images. This is coming from our authorization, our token. So to pick the user, the created by from our token. So when you go to our post controller, discover that it's going to pick our created by from the request user ID, which of course will be intercepted in our from our middleware. Okay, convert it to the ID, decode it, and send the user ID. Okay, so let's go back to post. That's okay. shared preference. Shared preference is going to be prefs is equals to await shared preference dot instance dot get instance. Okay, so string token is equals to pref dot get string. What's the string? Token. Okay, which of course we saved our token here. This is what we're getting. It was set during our login and we're getting it back. Okay, so we'll get it back. Now the next thing is to dynamic body. Okay, so our body is going to be content, we should take this content and our images, we should take our images. Okay, so the one on the left hand, which is the content and the images, they must correspond with what we have here, content and images. Okay, they must correspond with what we have there. All right, so come here and say final response is equals to await http.post, okay, url.pass, okay, we're passing, take our app url slash, okay, we don't need slash because we have slash already, slash our post, save post url, okay, then within our post we have body, so we'll say JSON encode, we encode our body, okay, so we need headers, so our headers, take, okay, should be comma here, there should be comma here, so our headers, in our headers we'll take content type to be what, to be JSON, sorry, application slash JSON, okay. I think when it comes to, okay, let's maintain double quote rather than single quote, so we don't have errors. Okay, we can also say accept, okay, and the last is going to be authorization. Please make sure you spell it very well. And it's going to be Biera space, just one space. Biera what? Token. Okay. And once we are done with this, we can then return our response. Okay. Okay. So we can then go back to our provider and do the post. But before then, we added what we call cardinal public. So you can go to your browser and go to cardinal. I've logged in. Okay, this is my account. When you log in, this is what you see. Okay, this is what you see. So there are a few things we need to take notes. They are very important. And one is the cloud name. Okay, so I'll copy this cloud name, put it on Notepad. Okay, this is the cloud name. Then the next thing is to go to your settings. Come to upload presets. Okay, upload presets, add upload presets. Okay, what you can do is to change this to unsigned. Okay, that's all, unsigned. Okay, then you save. Good. Copy this and paste under. That's all. This is what we need. You don't need the access API keys for now. Okay, then you come here. Let's go back to our code provider. Okay, so the next thing is to say final cloudinary is equals to cloudinary public. Okay, to take the cloud name and the upload preset. Okay, remember these are cloud name and these are presets. Okay, save. Now create a function, say future bool save post async. Okay, so let's return false at first. Okay, so say bool is loading will be false. Bool get is loading to return is loading. Okay, so first we set is loading to true, notify listener. Okay, then we say list string, because we are sending, what we want to do is to send the images to Cloudinary and get the URL back, then save the URL in our Mongo, in our database, in our MongoDB database. Okay, we don't want to save our images in our local storage or in our storage or in our server per se. We don't want to save our images in our server. So what we'll do is to push the images to cloud and get the URL, then save the URL in our database. Okay, so it's going to take string of list. Remember, why we use the string list here, it is because in our backend we are expecting string. When you check our post, you see we expect array. Sorry, we expect array. Okay, so here array is list. Okay, so image URL is equals to null. It's going to be empty for now. Okay, so try. We'll come back to cache. Okay, so here say for var image URL, sorry, image files in picked images. Of course, we want to look through the images we've picked and upload them one after the other. Say cloud binary response is equals to image response, sorry, image response equal await cloudinary dot upload. Sorry, we'll take this cloudinary dot upload file. Okay, let's see dot upload files. Dot upload files. So I don't think we'll actually need this for again. I've never tried this, but let's see. Okay, it's going to be list of response. The argument type list file can be assigned to list cloudinary files. Okay. Okay, let's just go with this. I'll check this out later. Check it out later. File image. Okay. No, let's I think files. Okay. Let's just solve this. Okay. I think this can go. This can go. Okay. There are other properties that needs to be entered. So we can say cloudinaries dot from file yeah, this is going to take time, so let's just go with what I've done before now. So files. Okay, so here say cloudinary files dot from file it's going to be image dot path. Okay, folder, we'll call it post images. Okay, getting this error because of this. Save. All right. So once we are done with that, you can say image URL dot add to the image response dot secure URL. Okay. So once we've done that, we can now say final response is equal to await the final post repo is equals to post repo, save image content, and so our image is going to be image URL, and our content is coming from our post text. Okay, of course, it's loading. It's going to be false. And notify listener that will return response the status code equal to 1. Okay, here cache false, of course we return false. Okay, so what we need is to call our save posts here. Okay, so we also need a provider. Okay, so here say if this is loading, then we'll call center child circular progress indicator as load, right? Then in our save, disable success is equals to await async save if success post provider dot set post will be empty, declare images. Okay, scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar const snack bar content post save successfully. Okay, navigator pop to go back to our previous page as failed to save posts. Okay, right, so let's just quickly add something here. Say some data. Okay, sorry, let me see if I can get nice write up from here. Okay, All right. Oh, good. We have tests, long tests from here. Paste. Oh, I thought this can paste. All right, so let me just okay. I think I'm done with this. I'm tired. Post, save. Okay. Post saved successfully. So let's go to Cloudinary. All right. Uploads. Let's check our database. Sorry. Dashboard. Image Explorer. Media Explorer or Media Library. I think I can get it from Media Library. Our post image. And of course, you can see them. Okay, let's go to Media. Our posts. Okay, these are posts. We added 4 images. Okay, from Cloudinary. Okay, so I'll add more, and when we come back, we'll come back, we'll work on our get post. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the notification bell icon. Thank you.